Hi friends, glad to welcome you to our channel. In today's videos I will tell you and also show you how you can remove the age limit in the YouTube application. Friends, please subscribe to the channel. Be sure to put your likes under the video and write your comments. So, let's go ahead and get started. So, first of all, open up the YouTube app and then you need to go to the U section. At the top, click on the gear part and then Basic. Here, friends, you'll be able to find such section limited. And in order to disable such here restrictions, you will need to just disable the button opposite this section. So some content will already be available to you in the YouTube app, which is called more adult content. But if you're still unable to access some of the videos, then it probably means that you're probably under 21, because most of the content on YouTube is from 21 years old. And in order to fix this problem, you'll need to go back to the YouTube section. Then select Google account. Then personal information. And here you'll need to go to your birthday. Go to that. And change your date of birth to a higher date so that YouTube will count you as being over 21 years old. This way, you will be able to see a lot more content on the YouTube app. That's how you can remove the age restriction in the YouTube app, friends. I really hope this video has helped you and was helpful. Please subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to put likes under the video, write comments, and see you soon.